Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making cheesecake in a microwave. Mix all ingredients together, place in the microwave. It only takes 10 minutes to make. It's easy to make and tasty and healthy, so let's get started. In a large bowl, place 80 grams of the cream cheese at room temperature and sugar. Mix together until well combined. You can add lemon juice and lemon zest for flavor. Crack 1 egg and add 4 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon of milk of your choice. I use quick oats here. You can also use oats flour if you have one. Mix all together. You can also add raisins if you want to. After well combined, transfer to the heat-resistant container and make smooth surface. Place in the microwave 500 watt for 4 minutes. Insert a bamboo skewer into the center of the cake. There is no butter, it's cooked. After cooling down, keep in the refrigerator. And then you'll get healthy cheesecake. You can make it the day before and keep in the refrigerator for breakfast or snacks. It will last for 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!